Well, I never. They finished all the roadworks in Milton Keynes at last. Hello and welcome to another day, another dollar, another lot of people, another lot of paperwork to get your head around. So just getting myself settled into the truck. I need to stick my card in there in a moment, finish my filling in my book, keep my notes, which is very nearly full now. 5 years worth of notes. It's nearly filled up the book. But yeah, check my truck over. Park in front of the trailer because it's not ready yet. Apparently I'm off to Norwich today. Yeah, never been out east before in a truck, so what way would that be? Probably, what was it, out round Cambridge way, A14, maybe up to Milton Keynes and then cross the A, whatever it is, through Cambridge along that way. I don't know, I'll look at the map in a minute. But yeah, wait for my trailer to get loaded and then get the paperwork and go. And we're off at last. All loaded, ready to go. Doing a cross trunk to another depot, which seems to be what most of the class 1 work involves, because I cross trunked to the depot in Dagenham yesterday. So cross trunking to what did I say, Norwich, and then potentially cross trunking from there back to Cambridge, and finally returning back to here. And hopefully today, third time lucky, the camera is pointing in the right direction, because the last 2 times it's been pointing up a little bit too high. And you probably noticed that everything's a bit wet now as well, because we just had a 2-minute shower blow in. There's a rainbow over there, very nice. So yeah, as I said, Norwich, yeah, up to the main road that takes us to Milton Keynes, then Bedford, St Neots, Cambridge, Thetford and Norwich, up to wherever this depot is, which is a farm like the other time. So yes, once again it's going to have tiny, very inappropriate roads. It's just looking at the address already has a very bland, nondescript address that doesn't really tell you exactly where it is. It just points in the general direction, which is another trademark of farms, because they're usually located in the middle of nowhere. And the postcode and that's been assigned to them doesn't point to exactly where they are whenever you look them up online, which is useful. Where we're going, thanks for the indication. And you? No, you are coming. And you're going that way. Neither of you are indicating. You're not. And you're coming round. You're going off and not indicating. Oh, you are indicating. Hooray. Mercedes driver indicating. Hooray. Oh dear. So this is pretty much it now. Cruise and then work our way through whatever the little highways and byways are. There are no motorways between here and Norwich, so at best it's going to be A roads. So I've got wrote down on my poor man's sat-nav A41, A1, A428, A14, A11, Norwich. Ding. So easy cruising, then through the capital of roundabouts, that is Milton Keynes, Get your brakes stinking nice and hot, then off we go. Here we go, nearly there, after about 3 hours of driving. Now, gotta find our blase address, which apparently should be on the right, and it should look like a lay-by somewhere. We're not far away now, apparently. So we're looking for something that resembles a lay-by. This could be it. Possibly. Looks like it's in the right place. Sandy Lane. Dunno, probably wanted that one back there, did we? Oh, well, we're off the road. Push my mirror back out. Since we're stopped. Yeah, this is it, apparently. But according to the postcode, this is it. Which, if it is very strange indeed, but not completely surprising if it is a farm. So we'll just take it slow, because these trees are a little bit low. There's supposed to be a lane somewhere on the right hand side. So there should be a turning on the right. Hill House Lodge. That sounds good at the moment. I don't think that's it. Park up the side here and make a phone call, I suppose. we're somewhere in the right place, because that is the correct name. Hey, dear me. Well, there we are. I was in the right place, because I was parked just 100 yards up that way when I phoned them up to try and find out where they were. And yeah, so I need to come down a little bit further and then in here, wiggle over to there and then back on the dock. Now, we need to get out, which I imagine is turned to the left by the looks of it, because it's slightly wider than what you've got to the right, and then go down there, try and turn around and get back, because I am rapidly running out of working time. I've only got 3/4 of an hour left. But first I need to get out of here somehow. So start by trying to wiggle the old trailer over to one side, or at least getting ourselves pointed in a nicer direction, that is, anyway. I think that should do it. So keep the trailer over to this fence as much as possible. Check for any traffic. There's a dog and a person. And then hopefully, if I've taken it wide enough, I shouldn't really need to go on the dirt like what everyone else has. I will need to ever so slightly, but at least we missed the nasty wet boggy patch. And there we go! Squeaky window. Whew. Dear me. So yeah, that's why you need to be careful whenever you get an address for a farm, because the roads are going to be very inappropriate to be sending down a 44-ton Arctic, and the address can be quite, what's the word, anonymous, nondescript. Oh, lovely sun. Look at this beautiful corner presented before me. Dear me, this is terrible. I might be able to turn left out of here. I didn't think I was going to be able to. Quite frankly, it's going to be impossible to do much, really. I just can't really see down that road. Can I see? There we go, just about. Farms. That's not a lot of viewing space there. I don't really like that. What I might try and do, because that I can only see about 60-75 yards that direction. What I might do, since I can see actually miles in this direction, I'll use the old London technique of shutting off one lane and then the other, except we don't need to. And we're away. Yes, drive time isn't going to be a problem. Duty time's the problem, 40 minutes. There we go, Made it back to the A11, just over 20 minutes to spare. This is the first parking bay I've come across, so I'm not gonna play with fire. I'm just gonna shoot straight into this one, and that is it. Neutral, brake. There we go, 45 minutes, and then take the 6 pallets that I loaded in Norwich down to Cambridge, offload those, pick up any rubbish that they've got, and then head back to the depot. Easy. That's our 45. Time to fire up the engine and get going. Nearly here. It's one of those places over there, I think. Turn right at this roundabout, and there should be another roundabout somewhere down here. Doo-doo Business Park. Yep, that's what we want. And then we've got to try and find Unit 19. Fortunately, this late at night, it doesn't seem like it's particularly busy with traffic, so I can faff about and get as lost as I like and not really cause too many problems. None of those places. So this is a thing, if you don't really know where you're going, just drive along nice and slow. Just ignore everyone behind you, not that I do have anyone. No, not that. Where are you all? I can't go much further forward. That only goes up to 16. Where do we go? Because there isn't really anywhere to turn around. That's number 6. Is there anywhere there? There's a rabbit in the road. Can I turn around in there? I wanted to turn left back there somewhere, apparently. I need to turn around somewhere. Where? Damn it. I was hoping that went straight through, but it doesn't. All we we got to do? We've got to reverse a long way back. That's what we got to do. See if I can reverse it into this junction here and turn around. Turning in pretty nicely. Leave myself some room so I can pull the unit away from the curb and catch the trailer before it goes too far, like it nearly is. There we go. Turned around, good. Get rid of that annoying alarm. Right, so where do we turn left? Into here. Chester Road. Yes. Down here somewhere. Anybody, give me a wave, somebody. None of that. There's some trucks. That looks promising. And there's some lights on out front. It's the only place with lights on. So it must be the place. Yes, that truck looks like it's got the right design on the side of it. Success! And there's somebody there to greet me. That's that. Job done, pallets dropped, rubbish collected. We're light enough for the lift axle to stay up, which is good. So much like on the other side there when I went wrong, I rocked up here and it's like, oh, you need to turn around. And as you can see, it's not exactly a massive place, so I have to reverse all the way down to here, reverse into that junction just there, watching out for the old car, turn around and then reverse all the way back down there again. Now it's just a simple case of picking up the main road and heading back to the depot. 428 or 421. 41 we want now. Bedford. That's the way we want to go. To Bedford. Well, that is it. Just gotta gather all my bits of paper together. A myriad of bits of paper that you have to do. Paperwork, paperwork, paperwork. It's never ending. But yeah, trailer's put away, truck's fueled up, had blued up. Just just got to pack all my stuff away and go home. So until next time,